guys, today Jessie Cake just came back from the grocery store with this big basket of food that she wants to put in the refrigerator, but she needs someone's help. That's why we're going to be able to help her. Right, Jessie Cake? That sure is true. I just came back from the grocery store, but now I need I don't know who can help me put all my groceries away in my refrigerator. I'm very tired, so can you help me put them all in the refrigerator while I take a nap? Sure, Jessie Cake. Go take a nap. Jessie Cake's gonna stand up and go take a nap. So, you heard Jessie Cake. She wants us to help her put all her groceries away inside the Shopkins refrigerator. So let's go ahead and start. We'll go ahead and open it up. The eggs, I put them away because I don't want them accidentally getting lost. There we go. All I'm going to do now is put the Shopkins in there. So, what should I put in there first? Should I put a brownie? A donut? Right now I'm going to start off with the sugar items. So like candy stuff. Should I put in a brownie? A donut? A kiss? Let's see what else I have. Okay, so which one should I put in? A brownie or cherries? Should I put in brownie, a brownie, a donut, or a kiss? I think I should go with a brownie. I'm going to go ahead and put in a brownie. Next, what should I put in? I think I'll get a kiss. Then, finally, a donut. Now, I'm going to put down all the fruits. A watermelon, cherries, tomatoes. Actually, I'm going to put all the vegetables and fruits. So that's going to be this too. And veggies. Veggies also. So vegetables also. Which one should I put in? The watermelon, cherries, tomato, or carrot? I think I should go ahead and put in cherries. I'll put them on top also. And then a watermelon. At the bottom, I'll go ahead and put the tomato. Then I'll go ahead and put the carrot. Next, out of these, what should I put? Beans, margarine, a sausage, or honey? I think I should put in beans. Next, I should put in honey. Then what do you think I should put in next? A sausage or margarine? I think a sausage. And then margarine. So, we're all done with that. Now we need to go call Jessie Cake that we're done with her refrigerator. Jessie Cake. Yes. We're done with your refrigerator. Okay, I'm coming. Jessie Cake's coming to go look at her refrigerator. So I'll go ahead and close it before Jessie Cake comes. coming. Let me go ahead and see my refrigerator. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for helping me put all my groceries inside my refrigerator. Bye now. Hope to see you next time. Hope you have a great day. Bye.